Dealerships don't exactly lie to you, but they definitely don't tell you everything. And that gap, between what you hear and what actually happens over time, is the reason most cars never reach their real lifespan. You're told to follow the manual, trust long service intervals, and assume everything is fine as long as the car runs smoothly. But here's what no one explains clearly. Cars don't fail suddenly. They wear down quietly, long before anything feels wrong. That's why two identical cars can live completely different lives. One struggles at 12,000 miles, and the other crosses 3,000 without major issues. Today, you're going to learn 15 habits that create that difference. Not theory, not marketing, but real-world patterns behind long-lasting cars. And the last one may look simple, but it changes how your engine ages over time. Let's begin. 15. Transmission damage begins before it feels wrong. Transmission systems are built to stay smooth, which makes early damage almost invisible. Internally, components rely on fluid that gradually loses its protective ability under heat and pressure. What makes this dangerous is that performance doesn't immediately change. The car still shifts normally, giving the impression that everything is fine, while microscopic wear continues inside. Most drivers wait for clear symptoms, but by that stage, internal surfaces have already been affected. The real issue is not failure, it's silent degradation that builds over time. Maintaining fluid condition at the right intervals prevents this hidden wear from accumulating. It's a preventive mindset rather than a reactive one, and that distinction alone determines whether the system lasts or slowly breaks down. Now consider this. If something so complex can wear out without warning, what does that say about the engine itself? 14. Engine oil loses protection before you notice it. Engine oil doesn't suddenly stop working. It gradually becomes less effective. Under real driving conditions, heat cycles, fuel dilution, and contamination reduce its ability to protect internal parts. The engine continues running smoothly, which creates a false sense of reliability. Internally, however, friction begins increasing at a microscopic level. This kind of wear doesn't show up immediately. It builds over thousands of miles. By the time performance changes become noticeable, the engine has already experienced unnecessary stress. Shortening oil change intervals isn't about being cautious. It's about maintaining consistent protection. The difference is subtle in the moment, but significant over time. That leads to a deeper concern, because some components don't wear gradually. They fail with no transition at all. 13. Timing systems operate on precision, not tolerance. Timing components are not designed to tolerate failure. They are designed to operate perfectly until they don't. Inside the engine, everything depends on precise synchronization. Even a slight disruption can cause internal parts to collide. What makes this more critical is that these components often show no visible warning signs before failure. Heat, age, and material fatigue weaken them internally, long before anything looks wrong. Waiting for symptoms in this case is not a strategy. It's a risk. Replacing timing components before they fail ensures that the system never reaches that critical point. It's one of the few areas where prevention is not optional, but essential. Shift your focus for a moment, because not all problems happen instantly. Some quietly reduce performance over time. 12. Combustion efficiency drops before power loss. Inside the engine, combustion must remain consistent to maintain performance and efficiency. As ignition components wear, that consistency begins to decline. The change is subtle at first, so the driver rarely notices it immediately. Instead of losing power instantly, the engine starts running slightly less efficiently. Fuel doesn't burn as cleanly, and small amounts of residue begin to form. Over time, this buildup affects how smoothly the engine operates. The system compensates for these changes, masking the issue until it becomes more noticeable. Maintaining ignition health keeps combustion clean and prevents long-term buildup. Think about that carefully, because once combustion becomes inconsistent, the system feeding it starts facing pressure next. 11. Fuel delivery systems compensate until they can't. Fuel systems are designed to adapt, which is why problems often stay hidden for longer than expected. As filters begin to restrict flow, the system compensates by working harder to maintain pressure. This creates the illusion that everything is functioning normally. In reality, additional strain is being placed on pumps and injectors. Over time, this extra workload reduces efficiency and increases wear. The system continues adjusting until it reaches a point where compensation is no longer possible. At that stage, performance issues finally appear. Maintaining proper flow prevents the system from entering that stressed state in the first place. Notice the pattern forming here, because this isn't about one part. It's about how systems gradually move away from balance. 10. Cooling systems lose efficiency without overheating. Most people associate cooling problems with overheating, but efficiency declines long before that happens. Coolant gradually loses its ability to regulate temperature, even while staying within safe ranges. The engine continues running normally, yet internal temperatures fluctuate more than they should. This creates long-term stress on seals, gaskets, and internal components. Because there is no immediate warning, the issue often goes unnoticed. Maintaining coolant condition ensures stable temperature control and reduces long-term wear. Look at the bigger picture. Because when temperature stability shifts, it affects far more than just the cooling system itself. 9. Fluid neglect doesn't fail. Systems, it unbalances them. Different fluids in the vehicle work together to maintain stability across systems. When one begins to degrade, it doesn't cause immediate failure. It creates imbalance. Brake response changes slightly, steering feel shifts subtly, and transmission behavior becomes less consistent. These changes are often too small to notice individually, but together they affect overall performance. The vehicle adapts, masking the issue, until the imbalance becomes significant. Keeping all fluids within proper condition maintains system harmony rather than allowing gradual drift. And when balance starts shifting, the cause isn't always mechanical. Sometimes it comes from the information the system relies on. 8. Sensor inaccuracy can distort the entire system. Modern vehicles depend heavily on sensors, and even a small inaccuracy can affect how the entire system behaves. These sensors constantly send data to the engine control unit, which then makes real-time decisions about fuel, air, and timing. When a sensor becomes slightly dirty or misaligned, it doesn't fail completely. It starts feeding incorrect information. The system trusts that data and adjusts accordingly, often leading to inefficient performance. The driver experiences symptoms like reduced mileage or inconsistent acceleration without any clear mechanical issue. What makes this dangerous is that everything still appears functional. Correcting sensor accuracy restores balance, not by fixing parts, but by fixing the information guiding them. That shifts the perspective completely, because sometimes the system isn't wearing out, it's simply reacting to the wrong inputs. 7. Driving style quietly shapes engine lifespan. Two identical cars can age very differently depending on how they are driven. Aggressive acceleration, frequent short trips, and constant stop-and-go conditions increase internal stress significantly. The engine may handle it in the short term, but over time, these habits accelerate wear across multiple systems. On the other hand, smooth acceleration, steady speeds, and gradual operation reduce unnecessary strain. The difference is not immediately visible, which is why many drivers underestimate its impact. Over tens of thousands of miles, however, driving style becomes one of the biggest factors in how long a car lasts. It's not just about maintenance, it's about how consistently the system is treated under real conditions. Take a step back and think about that, because even perfectly maintained parts can wear faster under the wrong usage patterns. 6. Cold starts are one of the most stressful moments. When an engine starts after sitting, especially in colder conditions, oil has not fully circulated yet. During these first few seconds, internal components operate with reduced lubrication, increasing friction. This moment may seem insignificant, but it happens every time the car is started. Over months and years, repeated cold starts contribute to cumulative wear inside the engine. Driving aggressively during this phase adds even more stress, as components have not reached optimal operating conditions. Allowing the engine a brief moment to stabilize before applying load reduces this initial strain. It's a small adjustment that has a measurable effect over long-term use. That highlights something most drivers overlook, because wear doesn't just happen during driving, it begins the moment the engine starts. 5. Electrical stability influences system behavior. Modern vehicles rely on stable electrical systems to function correctly. Fluctuations in voltage, weak batteries, or inconsistent connections can create subtle issues that affect performance. These are not always obvious problems like a dead battery. They often appear as irregular system behavior, sensor inconsistencies, or warning lights that seem random. Over time, unstable electrical conditions can interfere with how systems communicate and operate. Maintaining battery health and ensuring stable connections prevents these hidden disruptions. It's not just about starting the car, it's about maintaining a reliable environment for every system to function correctly. Look at how everything connects here. Because even when mechanical parts are fine, instability in another area can change how the entire car behaves. 4. Heat management determines long-term durability. Heat is one of the biggest factors affecting engine longevity, yet it's rarely considered directly. Every system inside the engine generates heat, and managing it efficiently is critical for maintaining performance. When heat is not controlled properly, materials expand, fluids degrade faster, and components experience increased stress. This doesn't immediately cause failure, which makes it easy to ignore. Instead, it accelerates wear over time. Ensuring proper airflow, maintaining cooling efficiency, and avoiding unnecessary stress during high temperatures all contribute to long-term durability. Heat doesn't destroy engines instantly, it shortens their lifespan gradually. That connects to a bigger idea, because durability isn't just about avoiding damage, it's about controlling the conditions that create it. 3. Storage conditions affect how materials age. A vehicle that is parked regularly in harsh conditions ages differently from one that is stored properly. Exposure to extreme temperatures, moisture, and environmental factors accelerates deterioration in rubber, seals, and metal components. Even when the car is not being driven, these factors continue affecting its condition. Over time, this leads to cracking, corrosion, and reduced reliability. Proper storage, even simple steps like shade or covered parking, slows down this aging process significantly. It's not about usage, it's about exposure. This brings an important realization, because not all wear comes from driving. Some of it happens while the car is sitting still. 2. Consistency builds reliability over time. Long-lasting cars are not the result of a single perfect decision. They are the result of consistent, repeated correct actions. Regular maintenance, timely inspections, and attention to small changes create a system that remains stable over time. Inconsistent care, even if unintentional, allows small issues to grow unnoticed. Over time, these small issues combine into larger problems. Consistency prevents that buildup. It ensures that each system continues operating within its intended range without drifting into failure. Reliability is not created in one moment. It is built gradually through repeated attention. And when you look at it that way, longevity stops being random and starts becoming predictable. 1. Awareness is the most powerful maintenance tool. The most important habit is not a specific action, it's awareness. Understanding how your car behaves, noticing small changes, and paying attention to early signals allows you to respond before problems grow. This includes sounds, performance changes, and even subtle differences in how the car feels. Awareness turns maintenance from reactive to proactive. It allows you to address issues at their earliest stage when they are easiest to fix. More importantly, it prevents small problems from becoming major failures. This habit doesn't require tools, experience, or cost. It requires attention. And once you develop that awareness, your car doesn't just last longer, it stays under your control the entire time. Cars don't fail overnight. They slowly move toward failure. And the difference is whether you notice it in time.